And this is another action for us. We should not procrastinate, meaning delay. So we should not delay in matters of Islam. What does this really mean? What comes to your mind? What do you guys think? That we should not delay matters of Islam. Whatever comes to your mind.
For example, Salah, don't delay.
Yes, very good. So when there is time for Salah, we should pray immediately. We should not delay. Anything else? Anyone else? What do we mean by we should not delay the matters of Islam before, time is over? Okay.
Like different celebrations, like Ramadan, don't miss fasting and everything.
Yes, yes. So even in performing everything, we should not delay, like fasting and other rituals of Islam. You're right, Ahmed. So what happens is, one of the tactics that Shaitan uses is he tells human beings that there is time. It's okay, you don't have to hurry for Islam. Do this first and then be a good Muslim. So for example, if you have taken a loan for the house and there is interest in that loan, interest is haram, so we cannot do the riba. Interest is you cannot take, and now you find out that you cannot take interest. Now what do? Shaitan will say, it's fine, just continue paying, and once you have the house, it's only 5 years left of payment. Similarly, for cards, people buy cards on these interest-bearing loans or something. Or when you are in a job, maybe that you have to do things in your job that are not right. But Shaitan will tell you that think about your career, think about your job. I mean, you cannot leave it right now, or you cannot ask your boss not that you will not do this. Or if you're directly related to something, let me just get this one promotion. So after, these are the things that Shaitan puts in our minds, of delaying. Let me do this and then I will be a great Muslim, I'll be a very good Muslim. So these things that Shaitan puts in our mind can really bring us to a loss, because you never know when we die, right? The time of death for anyone is not guaranteed. So no one can say, okay, 5 years are left, let me continue doing this bad thing, and after 5 years, I will make sure that I stop doing this and I'll be a great Muslim. You don't know if you're going to live for 5 years. So this is the action that we have from this ayah. Whenever there is something that you find out that you should not be doing, or whenever there is something that you find out you should be doing, it is something good that can earn you sawab and hasana, you should immediately start doing it. We should not delay in matters of religion, because we never know when we are going to die. So we cannot think that, okay, I will start doing this after this, or I will become a good Muslim after this. So this is another action coming out of today. Yes. Is there a question?
Like my dad, he said that always pray Salah like it's the last one you're going to pray, like you're going to die after it.
MashaAllah, very good. Thank you so much for sharing, Ahmed. Always pray your salah like it's your last salah, and then if you're going to die after it. So imagine if we get to know that, the next salah is our last, how we will pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Because let's say it is our last salah, then you will have the full devotion, you will pray to him, you will ask for forgiveness from him. So that's a very nice thing that your father told you, Ahmed. Because when you think of this thing as, oh my God, it's my last salah, this is my last chance to ask for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or and ask for Jannah, then imagine how much time you will be probably crying to in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I want to go in Jannah, please forgive me, please forgive me. So that is a very good thought, and that is a very good way of thinking about that as well, in terms of our prayers. So thank you, Ahmed, for sharing this.